2021। तो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे मैं HDFC लाइफ में एक शॉर्टिंग पोजीशन बनाया हूँ। हाँ, मुझे पता है कि मार्केट ट्रेंड ये अप ट्रेंड में है, लेकिन मैंने इसमें शॉर्टिंग पोजीशन 30 मिनट कैंडल को देख के लिया है। और ये देखिए यहाँ पे एक जो 200 डेज की EMI है, इसमें मेरा एनालिसिस बस ऐसा ही रहता है कि मैं बस सिंपल एनालिसिस करता हूँ कि जो 200 डेज का EMI है, मूविंग एवरेज है, उससे जाके ये बहुत बड़ा रिजेक्शन मार के आया है। तो मैंने जब भी देखा है कि 30 मिनट कैंडल का फॉर्म हो चुका है और यहाँ से रिजेक्शन आ रहा है, यहाँ पर भी देखिए एक बहुत बड़ा रिजेक्शन आया है यहाँ पे। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये स्टॉक यहाँ से अभी इस जो 20 डेज का मूविंग एवरेज है यहाँ तक आ सकता है। तो देखते हैं अभी मेरा टारगेट अचीव पॉइंट होता है क्या नहीं। तो आप लोग मेरे एनालिसिस देखिए और मुझे कमेंट कीजिए क्या सही है क्या गलत है। तो चलिए मैं देख लेता हूँ अभी मेरा, आप बने रहिए मेरे साथ, अभी मेरा टारगेट अचीवमेंट होता है क्या नहीं। तो यहाँ पे मेरा रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड है 3:2, मतलब 1:2 के आसपास, क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पे 3 पॉइंट का रिस्क लिया है और रिवॉर्ड मेरा 7 पॉइंट के आसपास है। तो 1:2 के आसपास है मेरा रिस्क एंड रिवॉर्ड है। ये स्टॉक हो सकता है कि यहाँ से थोड़ा बहुत कंसोलिडेशन करे, इसके बाद ये ट्रेंड लाइन अगर टूट जाता है, ये बहुत बड़ा मूवमेंट दे सकता है। लेकिन इतना देर तक हम इंतज़ार नहीं करेंगे, हम अपना प्रॉफिट लेके निकल जाएंगे। तो देखते हैं 73 तक आता है क्या नहीं। तो मेरा यहाँ पे टारगेट भी 73 दे के रखा हूँ, तो 1.5 पॉइंट का आसपास मेरा टारगेट है। आप लोग बने रहिए। और मैंने ये ट्रेड इसलिए लिया है कि मैं 1 डे के कैंडल में भी मैं देख रहा था, मतलब 1 डे के कैंडल स्टिक्स में देखिए ये जो है ये बहुत बड़ा रिजेक्शन लाया था कल। तो ये मैंने इसके वजह से सेलिंग साइड में मैंने रख दिया था। और मार्केट भी इसको भी देखिए, स्टॉक थोड़ा डाउन ट्रेंड में भी आने की कोशिश कर रहा है। तो ये डाउन ट्रेंड वाला स्टॉक मैंने सिलेक्ट किया सेलिंग साइड में। ठीक है, तो अभी देखते हैं मेरा टारगेट अचीवमेंट होता है या फिर मुझे ऐसा दे के जाना पड़ता है, क्योंकि मार्केट जो है ना ये अप ट्रेंड का मार्केट है। इसलिए मैंने अपना टारगेट भी छोटा रखा और एसएल भी बहुत छोटा रखा। तो देखते हैं मेरा एनालिसिस क्या करता है, या फिर मुझे एसएल दे के जाना पड़ता है। तो बने रहिए मेरे वीडियो के साथ। Guys, my target is about to achieve, and hoping it will achieve soon, because Nifty is right now falling. Let's see. Guys, one thing I have understand about the stock market is the what general people expect is it's um, basically work against of it. Means if you think that tomorrow's market will be an uptrend, okay, it is not now going another. So I'm thinking it will go up to this position, to 20 days moving average, and it will fall again. So let's see, and let's wait what is going to happen. One thing in stock market I have understood, what I am telling you, that the 90% general expectation of 90% people, what they think market act opposite of it. Means yesterday 90% people would have thought that today market will going to go up, but today let's look at it, market has gap up and then it's continuously falling. So if somebody says that he knows 100% of the market, just don't believe it. That's why I took trade after 9:45 basically, because it gives me the strength, and the strength of the markets allow me to know its strength. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. I have given very small target, not the very high one, and my quantity is also very low because of the volatility of the market. Let's see. Oh, come on, there is only one point. Sometimes it takes some time to achieve, because see, market has come down to 673.54, then it's again bounced back, means my 50 points was left. So let's see what it's acting like, why it's just acting like. Nifty, yes, Nifty is going up, that's why it's acting weird. I think Nifty will go up to this position, and it's try to come to this position to fill up the gap, and then it's bounce back and move up to 100 extra points, means 1500. It's a round level figure, so Nifty going to up to 1500, then it's fall back. So let's wait. Where is my target? So I'm 99% confident that my target will be achieved, but let's see. 1% is kept to the god. God. Okay. uh, on luck, but my analysis is correct, and I'm stick to it, and I think it will come and it will fall to 673. Oh, let's go. It is very difficult to work in a sideways market, definitely, yeah. If you are an intraday trader, and it is very difficult to work in a sideways, either you take the SL or either you give my target. That should be the, that I think going to change after CB launch its margins, zero margin, which is very bad for intraday trader. And after that, you means those people like me, who have thought that to be a trader, their entire career will be spoiled, because after that nobody will be a trader, everyone will be a investor. Means why should I, means if they are providing zero margin, then why should I going to exit my trade on the day end? I'm going to take it for the further, and I will continue it. Means same margin will be used. So that's why I am thinking that's a very bad idea of CB, and I really against it. And let me know in the comment what you think about the CB's new rule, which is going to be launched on September. Um, Write the comments in the comment section. Again, it's going up, and let's see what's going to happen. Mm, CB's thought that they're going to minimize the losses of the retail trader. Yes, friends, I want to say one thing, that if you don't means stock market is a part of a loss is a part of game in stock market area. On the day you step in the stock market, you must consider that there will be a loss. Means if every the person which are in the stock market in day trader, if that somebody says that he never made a loss in stock market, simply understand that he is lying. Means in the learning process you have to lose. Right now I have total lost 1.5 lakhs rupees in the stock market. uh, Everybody loses in this year, basically. Everybody loses in the stock market, but the real thing is you have to be in the game. CB think that they're going to minimize the losses. That's not going to happen, because when these small traders go away from the market and they become investor, then circuits will be circuit will going to hit market very easily, uh, because if somebody wanted to hit the circuit in a particular stock, then you have to buy 50,000 stock, then it will be hit the upper circuit. If they want to sell lower circuit, then he might be selling, it will hit the lower circuit. So because the smaller forces which are preventing this them will be not there, because everyone will be investor, not a trader. So I am against of this trade, and my entire career will be spoiled if they finish the margin. In 90s, when actually in 90s, CBs used to give 100x margin to keep 100x. We are not asking about 100x margin. Means in 90s area, the Junjunwala era, they are providing 100x margin to keep the stocks for a month or for expiry day, up to expiry day. But right now they are not willing to pay 5x or 10x margin. That is a little bit odd, and I am against of it. Let me know in the comment that what you think about this series decision, and I think this will take much more time to achieve my target. Let's see what happens. Uh, Stick to my videos and keep watching. I will be updating you if anything happens. Hello guys, welcome back, and it is just like consolidating here, and it's taking little bit time to achieve my target. From two times it has reached to this position and bounced back. Let's see what 5 minutes candles say. It has been bouncing, taking support from 20 days EMI. Actually, let's see what's going to happen in Nifty. Nifty is coming back, so it will not going to last up there. If Nifty is coming back and Nifty going to take support from 20 days, it will have to come to the down position, which I am thinking. Let's see what's going to happen. Every time I started the video, it just bounced back. I thought that this time it was going to hit my target, but it's bounced back. Just one point has been mentioned. A lot of people are thinking that why I do not exit right now. Guys, if I exit right now, my analysis will be wrong, and there will be no confidence, and I will lose my confidence. Either it will give my target, or either it will hit my SL. If it's a 0.5, then 0.5 it's okay. Don't worry guys, if I hit the SL, I will also going to upload it. If I hit the target, I also going to update it. If someone is new in my channel, please subscribe it. And I am regularly updating videos on the stocks, basically in future stocks, not in a bank nifty or nifty. Mm, Bank nifty and nifty are for the people who basically have a lots of money. But those people who are new in the stock market and have a little bit money with them, then this channel is very important, and this channel is very useful for you. But you have a crore or 20 to 50 lakhs rupees, then it's okay to go to um, trade in Nifty or Bank Nifty. But if you have minimum of money and you wanted to make a good profit from it and wanted to learn something, then I think this channel is very useful for you. This channel will be very useful for you. uh, I think it will take little more time. Let's not make video much more. So I am pausing it right now. If something happen, I am going to update. Now I think, my friends, it's going to achieve my target, and where it is, point 20 point 20 has left. Let's see. So it is still there, and it has went up again. So it is अरे यार, I don't know why it has not hit my target. uh, I don't know, yeah, what happened. It is up to, oh my god, point 10. My target was not achieved because of point 10. Let's see how much it's going to take. It's going to test my patience. Let's see. Market is going down, so I suppose it will come back again. Let's see what's going to happen. It is really testing my patience. And this flicks came, I thought that my target was achieved, but after I seen my position, it has not executed. That's happened. That's happened with Zerodha most of time if you're using this platform. It's very hard for someone to continuously wait. Waiting is very difficult. Let's see, this time maybe it's going to hit. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, you can do it. Oof. It's really testing my patience. It's not a 5 to 6 point here, it's just a 50.50 approximately. It's very difficult. Patience is virtue. Patience, you have to have a good patience. Let's see, let's see. Oh my god, it's really testing my patience. you see this candle, that simply indicates that in this position it's a buyer's area, and that's why stock is just right now not able to come to this position. And let's see what happened. Also, people going to say that why sir you don't exit, it's just a 0.5. If I exit right now my analysis, and there will be question in my analysis, and you will not get much confident while trading, and it has happened before. And if you do not have confidence in the stock market, then you're never going to be a day trader. Let's see. So 0.50 approximately, very small target it is right now. Patience. It's a completely buyer zone. See, this three candle is completely shows that here buyers are very active, and when the markets go up, they will just jump into it. Guys, this video will going to be crazy for you. Means this video going to teach you the patience of any person. Means if you wanted to be a trader, then this video going to be crazy, very helpful for you if I achieve my target. Let's see, because it's video going to test your patience. Means how much you can see and how much I can hold. Let's see. How long you can see this video and how long I can hold my position. This is really testing. Oof. It will take more time, my friends. Let's pause this video and I will be updating what happened next. Hey guys, this time it I have achieved my target, and this video is really a very good example of testing someone's patience. And right now I am feeling much confident and much energetic about to trade in stock market because I have achieved my target. I didn't quit when it came to this position. Means somebody would going to think that it's a point 10 something. why should I why shouldn't I exit up there? But now didn't have exited, and that has given me confidence of trading in next trade setup. So I hope you understand the reality of the discipline that you have to keep with while you are trading in stock market. And those who are new in the stock market and those who are really impatient in the stock market, this video is very important for them to unlearn and see how the stock market and how your analysis going to work if and only if you have a good amount of discipline. So hope you like my videos, and if you are new and if you are new in first time you visited my channel and videos, please subscribe it. I regularly update the video, and hope you like the video. And I think this video has given you a little bit knowledge about stock market and how to trade in the stock market. Thank you. Have a nice day.